One thing to note, I have customized my label colors, so they may show up differently in your Premiere Pro. If you'd like to create custom label colors, you can go up to Premiere Pro CC, click on that, go into Preferences, and Label Colors, click on Label Colors. And as you can see here, I have customized my label colors. I've got orange, aqua, green, lavender, and so on. And you can change the names of your labels. So let's say that you are choosing your selects, so your best footage, and you wanted the best footage to be highlighted in red. You could go here and type in best. And in blue, you could type in good. You could type in gray, not usable, and so on. You can also go into the color by double clicking it, and you can drag this eyedropper around to choose the exact color that you want for each label. I'm going to push cancel and cancel here as well. So that's how you can create your custom colors for labeling your footage.